Hello, here's another battle of the tournament. It is Dark Virgo versus Fang Wolf. I know, Fang Wolf, yeah, haha. Not really, that funny, still, kind of ironic. Fang Wolf, yeah, isn't that fun? Anyway, I think this is the fourth battle of the first round. Starts right now. Just like the other battles, this will be a one-round match. One-round battle. I hope this is a quick battle, because I gotta go to the bathroom. That's why I'm moving around so much. Oh no, come on, Virgo. Come on, Virgo. Okay, I don't care who wins, just somebody win. There goes Wolf. Okay, so Virgo's the winner. He moves on, and he's most likely to win his next battle in the second round. Yeah, okay. Bye.